Welcome back everyone. So how you can install VLC Media Player. So this is the very popular software. So you want to install, if you want to install, open the Chrome browser. Okay. Open any browser if you want to. Okay. So just search here the VLC Media Player. Okay. VLC Media Player and click enter. The first official site is appear here. Okay. So click on the first official site. I'll also mention the site in the description. Okay, now you have just to download this application, so you can select the operating system. I'll just it's already default the Windows 64-bit. Okay, so click on download. When you click on download, it will going to download automatically, or we have to just force it. Okay, it's automatically downloaded. Okay, so just save it. Now you can see the system, the downloaded is successfully. Okay, so let's open. This is the setup. Double click on setup, or you can right click and open. Okay, so I'll double click on setup and just wait. It asks for your permission, say yes. Okay, now you can see the setup here. Okay, the wizard will appear, so click on next. Okay, you should have to read all the policy if you want to. I don't want to read, so I'll just click next. Okay, this is the default configuration. I'll leave with the default configuration. Okay, bye. So click next, and I'll just click on install with the default destination folder. Okay. Okay, so I don't want to run this player, so just finish it. Okay, so that's it for today, and see you in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Okay, bye.